Calculating Mass of a Solute in Solution by KayScience.com. Here is a beaker which contains a 1 mole per decimeter cubed solution of Na2CO3 sodium carbonate solution. So what we mean by 1 mole per decimeter cubed of sodium carbonate solution is 1 decimeter cubed of water has been added to the beaker with 1 mole of sodium carbonate solute. And to figure out what is the mass of 1 mole of sodium carbonate solute, well, we need to figure out the MR of the sodium carbonate. To do this, we need the AR of each element. Sodium has an AR of 23, carbon is 12, and oxygen is 16. So the mass of 1 mole of sodium carbonate can be figured out by doing 23 times 2 plus 12 plus 16 times 3. This equals 106 grams of sodium carbonate, which dissolved in 1 decimeter cubed of water.
It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding.
So in this exam style question, you've been asked to calculate the mass of sodium nitrate NaNO3 dissolved in 30 centimeters cubed of a 1 mole per decimeter cubed solution, and you've been given the atomic masses of these elements. You first need to figure out what is the mass of 1 mole of sodium nitrate, and this is 23 plus 14 plus 16 times 3. This equals 85 grams of 1 mole of sodium nitrate. Because the question is asking us to calculate the mass of sodium nitrate dissolved in 30 centimeters cubed, we now need to think, what is the mass of sodium nitrate in 1 centimeter cubed of solution? We do this by doing 85 grams divided by 1000, which equals 0.085 grams of sodium nitrate. Now we know how many grams of sodium nitrate there are in 1 centimeter cubed of solution. We can use this to figure out how many grams of sodium nitrate are dissolved in 30 centimeters cubed of solution. This is done by doing 0.085 grams times 30 centimeters cubed. This equals 2.55 grams of sodium nitrate in 30 centimeters cubed of solution. In this next exam style question, we have to calculate the mass of magnesium chloride, MgCl2, dissolved in 100 cubic centimeters of a 2 mole per decimeter cube solution, and we have to use these atomic masses. The mass of 1 mole of magnesium chloride is figured out by doing 24 plus 35.5 times 2. This equals 95 grams. Because the question says a 2 mole per decimeter cube solution, we have to figure out what is the mass of 2 moles of magnesium chloride, and this is done by doing 95 grams times 2, which equals 190 grams. This is 2 moles of magnesium chloride. To figure out how much magnesium chloride is dissolved in 100 cubic centimeters, we first need to figure out how much magnesium chloride is dissolved in 1 centimeter cubed of solution. We do this by doing 190 grams divided by 1000 cubic centimeters. This equals 0.19 grams. So in 100 centimeters cubed of solution, we can now do 0.19 grams times 100 centimeters cubed. This equals 19 grams of magnesium chloride dissolved in 100 centimeters cubed of solution.
Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.